everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to restart a HomePod Mini. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have my HomePod Mini, and if you want to restart it, it's actually really easy to do. Now, you're probably looking at the HomePod Mini, looking for a power button or a restart button or a switch or a lever of some sort, but there's no button that is associated with power on the HomePod Mini. Essentially, it's on like an on mode or like a standby mode, okay? Basically, it's being currently used or it's waiting to be used. So what you need to do to reset it is actually really simple. The way to cut off power to it is you unplug it. So what we want to do to reset is we want to cut off the power to it, wait a little bit, and then bring the power back to it. So once again, here's the power source for this Apple HomePod Mini, which is it's plugged into the outlet over there. So we're going to unplug it, okay? So we're going to unplug it, and we're going to wait at least 5 seconds. I like to wait about 10 seconds, give or take. And by waiting those 10 seconds, you are essentially powering it down completely. And then when you plug it back in, you will have restarted your HomePod Mini. So then now that I've waited, about 10 seconds or more, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug it back in, just like that. And what's going to happen is the HomePod Mini is going to boot up, and essentially you've restarted the HomePod Mini. Now this is not a factory reset. A factory reset is when you wipe it clean. This is just turning it off and turning it back on in terms of a restart, not wiping the data or anything like that. That's a factory reset. We're not doing that in this video. We're just turning it off and turning it back on. That's in terms of the restart that we're talking about. And that's it. If you like this video, obviously you got to give it time to boot up. That goes without being said, but I figured I'd say it anyways. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.